So you have purchased this Teaching Writing Structure and Style video course, really the course that started it all. My name is Julie Walker, and I am going to help you unpack what's in the box. So when you purchased this, you were given the option of either doing the forever streaming or DVDs. This is how you're going to access the video content. Inside this box are two very important cards. Don't lose them. This right here is called the Forever Streaming card. This will give you access to the Teaching Writing Structure and Style videos on our website. You will go to IEW.com and create a user or log into your user account. And then follow the directions on the card. You will need to put in this unique activation code. You can only use it once and it's only for you. Once you've done that, this will give you access for you to watch Andrew Pudewa teach you how to teach writing on our website. This is something that will be forever streaming as long as you need it. Yeah, just to be clear, this is how you access the videos if you did not purchase the DVDs. If you purchase the DVDs, you won't have a forever streaming card. The other really valuable piece that's in this box is our premium membership card. This tells you how to activate your premium membership with IEW. This gives you access to our checklist generator, many of Andrew's convention talks that are so great to listen to, access to a coupon for a copy of Andrew's book, However Imperfectly, as well as a free shipping code and many other resources, all in our one-year premium membership. And you can decide if you want to renew this year after year. Finally, what's in your box is the seminar workbook. So this is packaged in here. You are going to want to take this apart, open up the pages, and assemble your notebook. The instructions to assemble your notebook are right there in this packet. So that's it. That's a Teaching Writing Structure and Style video course. This will transform how you teach writing. Enjoy.